I want to quickly show you how you can copy and paste your Excel charts into a Word document. Of course, there are many ways of doing this. This is my preferred way. It seems to work very well for me. Here I have an Excel chart. And I click on it. You notice that the center part is selected. That's what we do not want. We don't want to select just this part. We want the whole thing. So I'm going to click over here. Now the whole chart is selected. I'm just going to use Control C to make a copy. Come over to Word. Here's a blank document. I always put several spaces in, so I click up here, I hit Return, then I click where I want to paste it, and I go Control V. Now, here's the problem. When I do that, it actually pastes a sort of link to the chart, which some might like, because then when you're in Word you can just double click on it and actually edit the actual graph. I hate this because it always makes it harder to format in Word, and it makes it changes to the graph that you don't anticipate, and if you don't have the parent file handy, it can sometimes really screw up. So I don't like doing it this way. So I'm going to Control Z until I get rid of it. So I've copied the chart. I'm actually going to come up here let's resize a little and choose Paste Special, and I'm going to paste as a picture, as a JPEG. When I hit OK, now it's simply like I inserted a picture, and it's much easier to work with. So now I can just grab a corner and resize, and I can move it wherever I want, and I think this is much easier. Now, of course, if you want to change the formatting or how the graph looks, you'll have to go back to Excel, change things, copy and paste it again. Maybe that's more of a pain, but I think that in the long run this is a much easier way to work with them. You'll also note how I pasted it. When I select this picture, if I come to Format, Position, check that. I don't want Format Position. I want Format Text Wrapping. And you see that it is chosen to be in front of text. To me, that's always the best way to format a picture in Word, because you can grab it and move it, and wherever you stop moving it, it sits. And in the long run, this makes formatting your document easier, because you always can precisely place where your graph should go. So again, that's Select, Format, Text Wrapping, in front of text. And that's it.